Morning, guys. Wigs off. Yes. Also the girl them look mash up without the wig and the makeup. But anyways, after we eat last night, it was kind of like shower and bed. We had a long day. It was a long ride down. We didn't get to give you a room tour, but we are going to do that. Yeah. Miss Liz is still over there, so in her bed. She's still over there, so in her bed. You're so disgusting. Still over there, so in her bed. But we at our friend's hotel, so out here. It's on the main, like the main road is right here, so it's easy access to wherever you want to go. The street is literally right here. The highway, the bypass, whatever you guys want to call it, is pretty close. So you have no problem getting to and from this location. It's very busy, as you can see. Traffic is going in both directions, like up and down. It's very busy. It's very quiet, very relaxing. You won't have a problem here. There's nobody bothering you. Your privacy is definitely ensured here. And the place is gorgeous. Like last night when I was sleeping, like I didn't even wake up once. I didn't wake up at all. I slept through the entire night. It was so peaceful. I really love it here, and I definitely recommend it. So whenever you're in the Montego Bay area, remember, don't be afraid to stop by. You can call in advance to book your room. I'm sure they have rooms available. In the busier season, they may be booked out, so you have to book your rooms in advance. They really go pretty fast, okay? So if you want to be here and you want to stay here for a couple of days, you can. I'm going to leave the email and all the information below in the description bar, so you can check that out as well. So everything will be listed there. But the place is super gorgeous. I'm going to do another tour. Just going to show you the room for the last time. This, as you can see, there's a double bed here. And the place is super clean. Super clean. So here we have another suite, a queen size. So if you don't want to have a double bed in your room and you just want to have one bed, then that's fine. We have that as well. Over here we have a lounging chair that you can relax, enjoy, read. If you don't want to be on the bed, then you have that area that you can use as well. Again, the bathroom, they're amazing, very clean. We have standing showers. I love the tiles. The tiles are so beautiful. I love it. And this is another kitchenette area. Beautiful. It's very nice. So guys, again, I'm gonna leave all information in my description bar below. I'll have their email address, I'll have their telephone number, so you can call or send an email if you want to book this hotel. I'm telling you, it's very gorgeous. The owner, they're very family oriented, they're very friendly, and you will definitely feel like home. This will be a home away from home. On this side, we have a king size. This is a king size bed. We have a lounging area. This is a chair right here. You can relax, read your newspaper. Again, there's another kitchenette here. You have some bar stools. You can sit, have a drink. Here is the refrigerator. So if you have juice and snacks, you can store it there. We have kettle if you want to make some tea. We have cupboards. You can store stuff for the time that you're here. And here is the bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. The place is just beautiful. I love it. I came on the rooftop. I came on the rooftop to see the view, and it's beautiful. The ocean is right over there. Can you guys see that? Yeah. I'm heading back inside. It's very hot outside today. I'm heading back inside. Oh yeah. So no doubt in checking this location out. I will leave the address in my description bar below and their email address as to how you can contact them if you want to go ahead and book the room. So I got jerk chicken with rice and peas. Dave, let me can't eat more if you eat. Father bowl. Household name. Gravilicious.